Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be walking you through how to use the Glam AI app, the AI powered beauty tech platform that's changing the game for virtual try ons and product visualizations. Now, before we dive in, disclaimer, I won't be able to show you the full step by step process from inside the app because Glam AI requires a demo or virtual try on request to access the full platform, but I'll guide you based on everything available on their official website at glamatI.com. So, first, what is Glam AI? Glam AI is an AI driven beauty platform designed for brands, retailers, and developers. It offers virtual makeup try ons, skin diagnostics, hair color simulations, and face analysis, all powered by cutting edge AI and AR. It's ideal for beauty businesses that want to add virtual try on features to their websites or apps. So, the first thing that you can do is to visit the official website, head over to glamatI.com. This is where you'll find all the tools, product demos, and the contact form to get started. Scroll through the homepage or solutions tab to explore their main features such as makeup try on, hair color try on, skincare diagnostics, AI powered recommendations. Each section shows examples of how the tech works, from detecting facial points to overlaying realistic makeup in real time. To actually try Glam AI or integrate it into your business, you'll need to request a demo. Click the Request Demo button at the top right of the page. You'll be taken to a form where you can enter your contact info, company name, and what you're interested in. You won't be able to download the app and try it freely. It's designed for B2B use, not general consumers. Glam AI is perfect for beauty brands looking to upgrade their e commerce experience, developers building AR features into retail platforms, and retailers who want customers to virtually try on products before buying. If you're just a casual user looking for personal virtual try ons, this might not be for you. But if you're in the beauty tech space, it's a powerful tool. Again, just to repeat, I can show the full internal interface because it requires an official demo request. So that's a quick overview of how to use the Gram AI platforms. While it's not a typical app you download and use instantly, it's clearly built for brands and developers looking to level up their beauty experiences. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.